Yeah, I don't know. I haven't worked on this project in probably 3 months. So it's gonna... This is like a stream for me to refamiliarize myself with all my code in the project. Okay, everybody. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Welcome. Monaco Mist, thank you for the head pats. Yes, everybody. I love head pats. Very much. Ah, Caden, thank you for the head pats. So, let's take a look at what we're working with down here. It's kind of hard to see what's written there, so I'll move my head like this. This is what we got so far. This is the spin-off sequel to Lily's Night Off, featuring the 3 little sisters of the main girls from that game, as well as Sati, an angel who can grant wishes to everybody. So what I'm doing here is using the mouse wheel. That's the only way that this works right now. And they're reading out their lines. The text comes in 1 letter at a time. We have a little pop-up of a character down here, which I think is pretty kawaii. And then the poses work. The poses all work. This stuff works. If you wait long enough, the text kind of moves a little bit. The background for the text box this time is just basically a black gradient. But it does have like these stars going through it, and they only show up on the black gradient, which I think it's a lot better, so you can see everything back there. You can still read the font, and it doesn't cover anything, like in Lily's Night Off. Right now, Mint and Sati's body change scripting is connected, so like if she moves, Sati will move too. You can see that when they move, they got the little a little bit of hair bounciness. The mouths animate, but they've only each got like 1 mouth type when they really need like 13 or something. Another one of Addie's poses, you can see her arms are up because she's crazy. She's a nutso girl. But this is how the game starts. They're all playing a board game, and they're like bullying, well, Mint is bullying Emmy, and Addie's trying to like stop Mint. She's like, yo, don't do that. And yes, 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 it goes on and on and on. Blah, 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 blah. Mint lied to her, blah, 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 blah. I don't think anything else happens. I think that this just ends and breaks because I didn't code anything to go further. There you go. So this is where the game breaks. That's like a head sprite. I think that's Addie's head sprite. Oh yeah, everything is in sprites for this game because I coded it in a way that it's like live 2D, except it's all procedural. So like you could give them head pats whenever you want and stuff. Which is also pretty cool. Emmy's hair is a little broken, we gotta fix that. But all the other girls work. Oh, that's a little bit broken too. Alright, so that's what we're working with. What we were doing with this last time is... basically, I copied Lily's Night Off, and I'm building this game on top of that, but at the same time, rewriting everything. This is the main script for Lily's Night Off, and this is after purging it a little bit. It's almost 1,500 lines. So UI name changer changes the character name. It used to be a main script, now it's in this script. So we got rid of 60 lines, and we have it self-contained now, so if something breaks, we can fix it a lot easier. And that's basically what I want to do for like a whole bunch of stuff. It's probably going to take forever. If my model starts going crazy, having a seizure, it's because I'm sipping on my cocoa. Let's go through the scene and clean it up. If you saw my Lily's Night Off scene, I mean my project files for that, there's like 20 scenes saved with like the same name. New intro, new main scene, newest main scene, newest super ultimate main scene old, newest super ultimate... I don't know what I'm doing, man. Oh, Pog. Pog. Let's clean up the scene as much as we possibly can. Sati reference clothed and naked. Wow. We're not gonna click it though. Let me play the game and see if we get any more errors. Format exception. What is this for? Main script, next line. Oh, I think that gets called right at the beginning. Oh, current row. Maybe if I turn this to 2, it might get rid of this error. Let's check. There you go, that fixed it. Look at this progress. Progress, everyone, wow. Yes, we did it together. Everybody, we're working together here today. Look. Pudding, what are you doing up there, buddy? Get down, you're gonna get hurt. Pudding? Pudding, no! He's left us. Oh my god, I have 4 cameras. So main camera for the characters, background camera for the background image, UI back, which is the black part of the UI with the stars, and UI front, which is the character and the words. CSV loader, this is where all the scripts for the game go. They go into here, and then this gets parsed out and put into arrays, I think, or lists? I don't remember. Ow, holy crap, that scared me. Lord Lupus, hello! You spooked me. Very good spook. You did a good spooky spook. Is this a cooking stream? Because that's some good spaghetti. I didn't even show the code yet! Oh my god, that took me like 10 seconds to... I was like, what is she talking about? I didn't even show the code, shut up! Look, this is the main script in Lily's Night Off. It's almost 1,500 lines. Wow. What language? C#. This is my first time using Visual Studio Code as well, so I don't know how anything works. How do I get back to my files and shit now? Can't make me mad if I can't read. I wish I couldn't read. Rename symbol? Oh, is that it? Yes! Okay. Hey. Visual Studio Code's pretty handy. I was using Notepad++ until this morning, and I said, if I'm gonna be streaming code, I better get this. I set up some things. Like if I type an if statement, it'll do my stuff correctly now on the same line. See? Look at that! Oh, so sexy. Same line curly bracket. You cannot beat that. People who use next line curly brackets are chaotic. Look at this. It adds an extra line. For what? And then they say, oh, because you can see where the brackets are easily. Okay, but it highlights the brackets if you click on them. So, like, what are you talking about? You're not using an enum? What the hell is that? Just the other day, I found out that you can set a variable to a function, and the function can return a variable to you. I didn't know that. This is how I name my friggin' functions. Hee. I don't know what the hell that was, so we get rid of it. That's how coding works, everybody. And then you go back to the game and you say, huh, did anything break? And if the answer is no, then you're good to go. Wow, I like how I took a sip of my cocoa and my character went this way instead of like looking up. Namer, what the? Namer 2? What are all these things? This is the life of game development, everybody. Make one change and then check if it's okay. Something broke before because I erased this entire script by accident. Wait, it seems okay. Size 0. So what is it supposed to be? What populates Namer? Colors? Is this just supposed to be 1 or 2? Oh, I remember. Okay, so there should be 3. That's what it was. Let's make 3 of these.
Get that Twitch bread. Dog rat.
Dog rat! Whoa. Whoa, the charm bar. Get out of here. Now it'll change. See, the colors changed now. We fixed it, everybody. Patchy. I need to sleep, so I'm going to go to sleep. But I wanted to say, hello, mate. Oh, thank you, Julie. That's what all Brits talk like. Hello, love. Hello. Bum, ba, bum.
Oyo, do you know Embrage?
What the shit? Okay, we got some good new music on. This one's like double the length, too. Vect is like a musical genius. Every single song Vect makes is just... Oh, Pantsu script? What? Why? If panties dot on equals true, remove. Bum, ba, bum. Bum, ba, 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 ba. Oh, I want to stream Bloodborne, but I can't. I have to work on stuff. Oh, I have to work. I'll be right back. Pudding, what are you doing up there, man? So let's find a part of this code that we can section off and make a new script with. Play sound effect with wait. Play sound effect. So extra is a column in the CSV, meaning that if you activate the play sound effect, it would say sound effect number 20. So extra would become 20, which means which one would become 20. And then sound effects play one shot would play sound number 20 at the volume you selected. I guess that I could switch all of these up into its own sound effect script, right? Addie has some kind of funny faces. Did I ever show you? Look, she's the emoji from the Emoji Movie. Oh,
Zirko_de says, "Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great time. Pride Pog.
Pride Pog.
Aqua55 dab.
Non-ATTS the emote. Just the emote.
Ghetto35 name clap.
There's 34 other streamers whose names start with Ghetto. That's why her emotes are 35. So now we have that new script. We can grab all this stuff. Is this how I want to do it though? No, you know what? I'm gonna hold off on this. I could just stick all of these into an audio thing. Are you coding, son? I'm coding, everybody. My spaghetti. Look at this. Oh, delicious. Poo poo. I just saw the pee-pee.
Hyupin says, poo poo. Count Pug says, pee pee poo poo.
Poop.
It has like such comedic timing. It takes so long for the voice to kick in. I'm just sitting there like, huh? And then 5 seconds later, poop. Okay, so when you hold the control button in Lily's Night Off, the game skips. All it does is make the game run like 2 times quicker. And then it changes the pitch of the music as well. Ah, you can see here, see? Timescale 2.5. All Lily's Night Off does is just make the time move 2.5 times quicker than normal. I wonder if I could turn upside down too. Look, I could stream upside down, everybody. I don't know why I don't. Oh! Gay? Me? Dimitri gifted a sub. So very nice of you. So if you put in a column in the current line, play sound effect, right? Then that's what command is going to be. So then this invokes command. I think that's why I have it set up like that with the 0. Because it's actually, this is a variable. This is a string.
Lorem_lupus says, I don't know what's going on, but it looks impressive. Smiley face.
Oh, thank you, Lorem. Now this is where we start. Okay. So, this is how I have to decide how we want to do this. Probably just going to do if statements. Don't laugh at me. This will be an audio event, and we're going to take a variable, I guess x, why not? If x equals 1, paste it all in there. See, is it worth it to split everything into separate audio changer dot audio event, and I can pass the variable in through here, right? So I'd say like that's a 1. Inaccessible due to its protection level. Public, right? I don't know how it works, that's just how I get it to work. Why is this angry still? An object reference is required for the non-static field. Introduce constant for 1. What does that mean? V? Damn, did it just make a variable for me? Okay. Oh, what? Does that fix it though? No? What am I doing wrong here? Oh, it's because I didn't define the stupid script. Okay, so... Dialogue mover script. I have so many scripts. So there is a dialogue mover script. Oh. Audio changer. This becomes audio changer script. That should be fine. Audio changer script. Back down to 1111. That should fix it now, right? So what I'm doing here is this line right here. Play sound effect. If this gets called from the CSV script, then it's going to send an event to audio changer, which gets a 1, which makes this get set off. I'm thinking. Alright, wait. I should skip audio changer for now. I'm just gonna... I'll leave whatever the hell is in here. Oh, how do I comment stuff? Preferences... Keyboard shortcuts. Comments. Control and K, that's what I did. Control and K, Control and C. What? Control K. Control C, that's copy. What? You have to hit Control K, C. That's so weird. Why can't it just be Control K? Whatever. Yes. Oh, thank you very much. Yes, I did make the avatar myself. It's all custom made in Unity, actually. It's using the back end of VCFace, OpenCFace in Unity to do the tracking. Like if you look at the channel points, if you use some points, I have a lot more in-depth kind of stuff. Like you could head pat me, you could throw rocks at me. The rocks are broken. Why did, ow, oh my god! My throat! Something's up with the rocks, yeah. They're not hitting my face anymore. I gotta fix it. Can you pass multiple variables? I'm self-taught in C#. We're kind of stuck here. We can't really do much more. Like we could move shape to a separate script, but like, would we want to? You know? Like these things, they're so tiny. Is it worth it to move it to its own script? Alright. Put on my cool coding glasses. Yes. Yes. Final push. Let's figure out something else we could do next. Look at all these if statements. Oh, spaghetti. Yeah. I like if statements. They don't hurt nobody. They get the job done. I really could cut it down though. If I turned this into a variable and just added choice plus this to the end, this all could probably be a single statement. 1394. 1400. 1410. The modifier public is not valid. What? What did I break? 1394. Alright, let's go to 1394. What the heck is down there? Did I remove a bracket somewhere by accident? I probably broke a bracket. Look, these are all like error. Public void start skip. Does this have an end? This should connect to next line, right? Yes, and it does. So where does this? Where is the line for this? I think I removed this from here. Let me just try it and see if that works. Yeah, it connected to that one now. Is update missing one too? Oh my god. I'm gonna drive myself crazy with this. Okay, I think that that's all correct. But now all the way at the bottom, this one connects to the class, right? Hopefully? Alright, I think that fixed it. How did I randomly remove 2 curly brackets without realizing it? Will that fix it? Hey, look at that. Look at all these variables, guys. 330 lines of variables. Because I'm Baka. Alright, so this is the load ending files. I can't do anything with this yet because I don't know the format that the new game's gonna be in.
Tamanagi.
Tamanagi! Tamanagi. Watashi? Watashi desu ka? Ore no koto nandaro? Nandaro kana? I mean, let's just play this again one more time. I'll show it off to anybody who missed it at the beginning, but this is what we're working with. And this is the game! So again, these two right now are still connected, so when one of them talks, the other one moves because I didn't code it correctly yet. They all have 4 poses that they change between. The hair is all dynamic. You have the little chibi down here that changes with who's talking. The voice changes. If you wait long enough, the little text down here will make a little jump because it's cute. There it goes. We have the little stars moving in the UI on the bottom, which is cute. Yeah, I really like this font too. It's nice and simple and easy to read. Addie's, look, she's covering both of them. And yeah, since everything's dynamic, you can head pat them all whenever you want again. So streams from now on. Definitely going to be Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, at the very least, my normal schedule. Yes, but I will try and stream more than just 3 days a week. Because I want to get this game done now. I have a little bit more scripting I need to do. Not code scripting, like actual words for the game. Then we'll do all the scripting for this. But aside from 3 Wishes, I still do want to be playing more Bloodborne. I want to start Dark Souls 3 eventually. And I'm also going to do art streams too. So from now on for me, it's game dev, art, and Soulsborne playthroughs. 2 hours is my normal time because I talk so much. And my throat. I can't talk anymore. Okay, this is my new background. It just lights up squares wherever you move the cursor. But the way I did this is so bad because every single square that you see is a separate sprite with its own collider. And the mouse has a collider on it in the shape of a circle. So whatever it goes over, it makes these just light up. So it takes so much CPU just to have it running. But it looks really cool, so thank you so much everybody for coming today. Guys, I really want to build a new computer. Especially since the new AMD chips came out. And yeah, I mean, that's really all I need. I'm gonna upgrade my motherboard, get a new chip, brand new RAM, super fast RAM, SSD. Oh man, because my computer, I built this thing in 2012, so you can feel it. Yeah, we'll do more tomorrow. I think I'm gonna stream tomorrow. Pudding, hello! Panther, thank you. Ow, oh my god, what's going on? Oh, my eye!